What's up, guys? This is Little C coming back at you again with another video. Today I got some Panini Threads basketball. I don't usually do basketball, but I saw this at my Target for a decent price. We got one 15x7 box topper memorabilia card and then 3 other cards per box. I watched some YouTube videos on this. It looks pretty cool, so we'll go ahead and crack it open. I don't usually do basketball. I do get a couple basketball packs every once in a while. But let's see here. I don't think that's how you're supposed to open it, but oh well. And then we got our one pack. So here's the jumbo box topper card, and here's the pack. So we'll go ahead and open up the one pack. You can pull some pretty cool things out of here. Oh, we got 2 numbered cards. All right, we got an Eric Blessed. We got a Jonathan Isaac to 99, super sweet. It's pretty cool. And then we got a Eric Bledsoe to 199. That's pretty cool too. Very cool inserts. But this was a short rip, but we do have a basketball. But we do have the jumbo pack here. So all right, let's see who we got. Trying not. This is a very. All right. Boom. Sweet. Big ol' memorabilia card, Gorju Ding, Minnesota Timberwolves. So that's pretty cool. I'll have to do a little research because I don't watch a ton of basketball, but if you guys can, let me know in the comments how good this guy is. I will do some research myself, though. So that's pretty cool. Right there. Jumbo Relic. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Peace. #BringTopsville back.